In this tutorial, we'll see how to use IP address filter in Ansible. For IP address filter to work, first we need to install net address library. We can use pip install net address for installing the library. This filter will help you to validate IP address, extract IP information, and perform network calculations. In this example, if you pass a host IP with its subnet mask, this will return address, network mask, and broadcast. We have other options like we can validate whether a particular IP is part of the network or another network is part of the subnet. All these kind of validations also we can do. We'll start writing the playbook. Here I have already added all these IP address in the IP list. We'll do some validations against this also. First we'll see how to check a string is a valid IP or not. I'll add one subnet here. We need to use ansible.utils.ipaddr. Save it and we'll try running the playbook. So this is returning the subnet. That means this is a valid IP. If I give 300 here, it is returning false. So in this way we can validate whether this is a valid IP address or not. Now if you want to validate against list of IPs, we can give IP list here. Now I'll comment this. There is a typo here. I'll give IP underscore list. Now this is returning all the valid IP addresses. So here if you see we have an IP 300. It is not a valid IP, so it is skipping that. This is even able to identify IPv6 address. This is a valid IPv6 address. So we are able to get all the details here. Now if you want to get only IPv4 address from the IP list, I'll give IPv4. Now this will be returning only valid IPv4 address. Same way, if you want to get IPv6, we can give IPv6 and this will return only IPv6 address. Now if you want to get only the address, here I'll give IPv4. In the parenthesis, I'll give address and I'll try running this. Now this is returning only the host address. This is not returning the networks. You can see here. It is returning only the host address. Now we'll see how to get host with /32. I'll give host, save it. So now this is adding /32 for all the hosts. Now if you want to see the public IP, I'll give public, save it. Now this is returning the public addresses which are available within this list. Now if you want to get only the networks, I'll give net here. So now this is returning only the networks. You see here, this is a network, but this is a host IP / subnet mask. So this is not returning 10.1, it is returning only 1.0/24. Now if you want to return anything part of a specific subnet, we can give that subnet here 192.168.0.0/24. Save it and we'll try running. So now this is returning 1. And I'll add one more IP here, 192.168.0.22. So now we are getting two IPs which are part of this subnet. Now we'll see how to get data in host/prefix format. I'll give host/prefix, save it. So now this is returning data with /prefix, and it is even returning 10.1/24. Now we'll take this particular IP and we'll try to get address, network and net mask of this. And this is going to be the 6th element in this list. So I'll give IP list 6, and in IPv4 I'll give address, and I'll give address is. Here I'll give network, net mask, broadcast, save it, and we'll try running this. So now this is returning the IP address details of this host. So it is saying net mask is 255, and if you try changing this to 28, you can see here it is changing. Even the broadcast address, net mask, everything is getting changed. Now we'll see a particular IP is usable in the subnet. We'll call this usable, and we'll check this against this subnet. So this is the first element, and this is going to be utils.network in usable, and then I'll give one IP 192.168.1.10. Save it, and this subnet is 1.0/24. Usable, true. If I give 2, so it is false, and if I change this to 16, so this is becoming true. So I'll change this to 24. In this way we can validate whether a particular IP is usable or not. And even we can give 1.0. It is false because this is a network address. Like this, if you give 255 also, it will be false. Now we'll check a particular subnet is part of the network. So we'll check against same subnet, and here I'll give 1.16/28. So this subnet will be part of 1.0/24. We'll try running this. So it is true. Now if I change this to 2, this will not be part of 1.0/24 subnet. In this way you can do all the IP address related calculations using IP address filter in Ansible.